So here in a second, I'm going to turn the motor over, and you're going to see if I can zoom in. Zoom back right there. I'm going to turn this motor and show you what 2, 4, 6, and 8 look like, and I did the opposing side the same way. So I'm going to turn this crank over. As you can see, all my pistons are clean. So what I want to do is try to get this number 1 back up. And the only way I know how to do that is to get my dot here straight back up and down. So now we're back TDC. What's supposed to be TDC until I put the head on and get a little bit of air blowing out of the cylinder to be top dead center. So what I'll do next is take and clean the threads out with a tap. We'll be back for that.